Hello guys, welcome to how to browser YouTube channel. In this video guys, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of how to remove projects on Capcut. This is a really short video, okay guys? There's only a few steps, but before doing that, before starting the video, I would like to thank to everyone who has subscribed to my YouTube channel, and if you haven't done it already, please guys do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when I publish my new videos. So thank you guys again. So now let's dive right into the video. What you need to do right now is to open Capcut, and as you can see here, I have few projects. Used to have 20 or 30 projects here, and it really occupies your memory, and your memory, your iPad or your phone start to be slow. And yeah, depends now on the project, but I had projects that were 1 hour and was like really slow. I started to become really slow. This will help you a lot to clean your project, to delete your project. What you need to do to clean your project is to tab on edit right here, edit, and you need to select which video you want to delete, with which project you like to delete, and then check this mark. 1, 2, 3. I want to delete all of them. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have 6 videos. Actually, no, I don't have 6. I have 10. But yeah, now all you need to do is to tab on this trash icon and tab, and now delete selected projects. Yes, now your projects will appear here. I don't have any project. So guys, yeah, this was a really short video guys, but anyways, thank you so much for your support guys, and see you in the next video. Take care.